Hey everyone, Sister Michelle here from SisterDIY.com. Today I'm making a loaf of sandwich bread in my bread machine. The ingredients are 320 milliliters of water, 553 grams of bread flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of dry milk, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of bread machine or instant yeast. Next, I'm going to put everything in the bread machine, select white bread for the setting, and for crust control, I'm choosing medium. I absolutely love this recipe. I make a loaf of bread at least once a week, sometimes twice. And before I slice it, I'm going to let it cool completely. I'm using this bread slicer that my husband bought for me on Amazon, and it just helps me get even slices. This loaf of bread comes out perfect every single time, and now I'm just going to put it in a bread bag and use it throughout the week. I love using this bread for everything from sandwiches to toast, even French toast for breakfast. If you don't already have a bread machine, I highly recommend one. Even though I still love making bread by hand, having a bread machine makes things so much more convenient, especially when I don't have the time. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.